Do you guys recognize me? I just got back from Palm Springs, so I know I look a little different because how tanned I got there, but reassure you, I'm the same person, just a tan version. Anyways, while I was in Palm Springs, I wore my crochet bucket hat every single day. And it made me realize, why do I only have one crochet bucket hat? So that's obviously got to change. I need more than one crochet bucket hat in my life. And when I created this last time, I did not create a pattern. And sometimes you guys ask me when I post pictures of me in this magnificent bucket hat, you ask where I got the pattern from, or did I make the pattern, or do I have a pattern to give you guys? And I always gotta break your heart because I don't. But today, that is gonna change. Because I've created a pattern for you guys. So you guys can make it, I can make it, I can make as many as I want. Can I help you? So, here's some yarn. And here's a 5mm crochet hook. And together, if we work together, we can make a bucket hat with them. Do you want to pick the first color? What color first, Jack? Pick a color. Touch a color. Touch a color. Okay. He chose this one. You sit there. I'll sit here. So I'm gonna do kind of like a scrappy look, maybe something similar to this. I don't know really where this bucket hat's going. Usually when I make projects like this, I kind of just wing it. But first step, I'm gonna do a magic ring, magic loop, whatever it's called. Because a bucket hat, it is like a circle, like pretty much what we're doing is we're starting here, right here, and then we're going round and round and around and around, all the way down into the bottom of the brim. So we're starting off with a circle here, so I do have to use a stitch marker to track the start. Or is it the last stitch? For all of you who do not like clutter, this probably looks like a nightmare right now. I should not have let Jack pick the color of the first color because now all I see is a nipple. Now there's a nipple on the top of my hat. So I just finished a few lines. I was hoping that, you know, eventually when I added more colors it would stop looking like a nipple, but forever gonna be known as the nipple bucket hat. Anyways, I'm pretty much trying to make this flat nipple until it measures about 6 to 7 inches across. For me, maybe 6, maybe 7, I don't know. I'm just gonna kind of wing it where I feel like I wanna start working on the sides of the hat. Probably 7 if you have a bigger head, 6 if you have a smaller head. This bucket hat is definitely turning into more like a scrap-like bucket hat because I am just using scraps. They're just like one-off colors I have. So officially, scrap beanie, no, scrap bucket hat. No, crochet scrap bucket hat. That's what I'm making. Still a little bit nipply. Oh, still, even with the little pink on the side, still a little nipply. So I've been trying to eat a bit more healthier. I decided that this morning, and then this afternoon I went and bought tortilla chips. I could have bought some like carrots and stuff, but I didn't. So I'm on the last row for the top of the hat. I'm gonna go to the beach after, and I'm gonna start working on it there. I feel like that would be a fun activity to go, you know, do a little tour. Or not a tour, a field trip. Stripes on the stripes is beach attire, right? Now what colors do I bring? The nipple color and the yellow color. Is that it? Ready, Freddy? I should wear stripes more often. This looks great. This is how much I got at the beach. Done at the beach. This is how much I got done at the beach. Rawr, rawr. It looks good. I don't know why I'm starting to take it apart, but I'm starting to take it apart because I want it to be one strand instead of two. All my hard work. Down the toilet. That's okay. Live, laugh, love. Right, fellas? Okay, specific question. I am going to the Alaska State Fair this year, and I'm wondering, anybody out there know if a Canadian can compete? Because there's a sewing section, and I have my dress that I made in my last video, and I really want to bring that there and compete to see if I can win a trophy. It's going pretty good. It's feeling pretty good. I feel like the color's going pretty good. That was impressive, right? Okay. Well, I guess I gotta keep working. It's weird living alone. Like sometimes it's like it really sucks, and then sometimes it's like the best thing ever because you can legit do whatever you want, no judgment. I can be nuts, I can be insane, I can just be my inner self and nothing. Like if I want to have Greek yogurt for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I could do that. I could do that with someone else, but I have not met someone yet who would like to eat Greek yogurt for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Oh yeah, this is working out real well. It's starting to fit. It feels a little snug, but not too snug, where it will stretch out slightly, but it's not like so tight that it's like a swimmer's cap, you know? Like in the range where this is great. We're right on track. I hard boiled these eggs yesterday. I don't know if I cooked it, you know, fully. I don't know, I've messed that up before. So when I was younger, I thought eggs from the fridge just weren't hatched eggs. So I took one when I was younger and I kept it in my bed for a really long time, hoping that, you know, it would hatch and then, you know, I'd have a little baby, but I never hatched. This is a perfect hard-boiled egg. Legit perfection. Crushed it. Okay, I think we're at the good length. So, how I'm measuring this to figure out how this works, you know, the right size for the top of the hat before I start the brim, I just have it so it's touching like the top of my ear here. And it's touching the top of my ear, because in the end, we want it to look like this one. And I feel like this one touches the top of my ear here. So for the brim, I am doing the same kind of pattern of increases for what we did for the top here to make it flat, because the brim, we need it flat because this is the part of the hat that is actually very useful. Like it covers your eyes, covers your nose, protects you from the sun. That is the point of a bucket hat. Flat. We don't want to keep going, otherwise it's pretty much a toque. And it'll just cover your eyes. It won't make sense. Do, 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 do. Here he. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should I add some more nipple coloring? The brim is starting, you can see it's slowly starting to curve out here, and there's a little trick for the brim. You don't want to add the increases in stitches at the same part around and around and around. You actually want to disperse them, so each row you're actually just adding 6 more extra stitches, and you want to just like randomly place them. Otherwise, you're going to get points. Like you're going to get like a star. Unless you want to start at the bottom of your brim. I don't, so I just like disperse them randomly, and then it's like nice and even. Oh, this is going to look so good. Did you just fart? You know what I'm not looking forward to? Weaving in all of these ends. It's gonna take me 62 years. Does everyone want to sit on me while I'm working? Jack. Jack. Not that. I'm sorry, usually when I'm filming these by myself, because I do film all my videos by myself, I have to get up and move the tripod so you guys get different angles. You know, it's a little bit more cinematic and, you know, exciting, because if I legit just sat in front of the camera like this the whole, whatever, 15, 20-minute video, it'd be very boring. It's so cute! Not done yet. I want the brim to be bigger. Good coverage for my very pasty skin and my very sensitive eyes. Doesn't the color palette look so good? I'm honestly very impressed with myself with this one. This is pretty good. Anyways, I should be close to finally getting this done. I know it's been taking me a while. I've been very distracted. I get distracted by like bike rides like I did yesterday. I ended up going for a 45-kilometer bike ride instead of finishing my bucket hat. But now we're here today. It is sunny outside, so my goal today is to finish this and then go enjoy it outside in the sun. Sounds like a good way to spend my life today. It shouldn't take me that long either. Maybe like an hour. I'll be done. Less. Depends if I get distracted, let's be honest. Red and then yellow? Same, that's what I was thinking. Almost there. One more round and then I'm done. Now for the best part, weaving in all these ends. I wonder if I could take like beatboxing lessons. Is that a thing? People teach that? Maybe there's some YouTube videos actually. Just trying to find some more entertainment for you guys. I could beatbox while I crochet. Having so much fun. Woohoo! This is gonna take me a minute. BRB. Okay, all the ends are woven in, so now it's time for the grand reveal. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready? This is a really great one. I'm very impressed with myself. I'm really very excited about the brim of this hat. I gotta say, that's probably my favorite feature because I know this is gonna cover my nose. And that's always what I'm most worried about, is getting burnt, is my nose. And I feel like this could successfully not burn my own nose if I wore this. Here's a little close-up 360 of the hat. Ten out of 10, right? Anyways, that's all I had to say. If you guys want to make this pattern, it is down in the description. You can go download it for free. Make the bucket hat, tag me on Instagram. Peace out. I'm gonna go, so have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And applause for me.